Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Today we're going to be continuing our beginner series, and let's click on mechanical design and part design, part 1. Let's click on OK. Today we're going to talk about rib. Okay, to use this command, let's click on rib, and as you can see here, we need two different profile, two different sketch. We need a profile and we need a center curve. Okay, so let's select our YZ plane and let's sketch something on that plane. For example, we can sketch a circle here. Okay, and in our specification tree we've got our first sketch. Now we need a center curve. For example, we can select the YZ plane and let's click on sketch, and we can sketch our second profile. For example, we can use a spline to make something like this. Okay, exit workbench, and now we've got two different sketch. Let's click on rib and let's select our first sketch as our profile, and this is our center curve. Let's click on preview, and this is our results. Okay, normally we will use keep angle. We've got different option. We will see this different option in our later tutorial. For now, let's click on thick profile, and as always we can change the thickness of our profile. For example, I can increase this to, and let's click on preview, and I can increase even the radius or decrease as always. Let's click on preview. Okay, and let's click on OK. As you can see here, when we used these two different profiles, automatically Catia hides this profile, but they are still there and we can use them without problem. So for example, I can select our YZ plane and I can sketch a second profile, a second center curve, our third sketch, for example this line, and now I can use the rib, selecting this first sketch as our profile, and I can use this third sketch as our center curve. We can enable the thick options, and let's click on preview and OK, and this is what we got. Okay, the most important thing that we need to remember, to use this command rib, we need two different sketch, our profile and our center curve. Okay, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share and so on, and see you soon.